Welcome to the news at noon. I am Justin Core. New at noon right now, the man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students in 2022, Bryan Kohberger, is in court. Attorneys are arguing about what evidence will be allowed during his upcoming trial. Abby Wilt, live at the Ada County Courthouse. Abby, what kind of evidence are they talking about here?
Justin, that's right. So the hearing has been going on for about 3 hours now, and they're discussing things like the Amazon records that supposedly Kohberger purchased a knife with. They're also talking about things like the 911 calls and texts from the surviving roommates. So the defense really does not want any of that to be in trial in August. And so far today, the defense has asked for evidence, including videos of Kohberger getting pulled over at a traffic light in August, to not be shown, and for Kohberger's autism condition to not be used as an aggravating factor. They don't want witnesses, the prosecution, or Judge Hippler to use words like psychopath when it comes to labeling Kohberger, and they also don't want the word murder to be used.
Mr. Kohberger sits here today. He's innocent, and it's up to the state to bring evidence and a jury to decide if that's different. The state, by using that kind of term as applied to Mr. Kohberger, gets in the way of what the jury needs to decide.
With respect to the term murder, well, let me start with the term murder. So I don't, obviously the jury is going to be charged with what the charge is or our charges are in this case, which include first-degree murder. I don't think there's any problem in using the term murder as it describes the charges and the allegations. Testimony or statements by counsel or by others that the defendant is a murderer or committed murder, I think would be essentially argumentative in nature. At this point.
And Judge Hippler ruled that the word murder should not be used if it is only for emotional appeal rather than the facts of the case, but it can be used when it comes to the facts of the case. And the defense also asked for inflammatory evidence to not be shown at trial. And that includes content from over 13,000 pictures, hours of video content, and several witness testimonies. Judge Hippler ruled he will assess content on a case-by-case basis before it goes to the jury. And I do want to note, Kohberger was in good spirits when he came in this morning. He was talking with his team about things like what he thinks the state is going to decide on, and also things like how he slept last night. So he was definitely chatty and seems to be in good spirits today in court. And there are more than 170 filings that are being discussed today and tomorrow in court. So I'll be heading back in. We're also live streaming the whole hearing on KTVB+.
Alrighty, Abby, thank you for being on that. We'll let you get back inside. Meanwhile, it is